Hi, this is Jason with AllTech Services. Today we're going to talk about how you can prepare your furnace for the upcoming winter months. First thing as a homeowner I would recommend would be to change your filter out. If you have a 1-inch filter, they should be changed at least once a month, depending on the traffic in your home. Another thing you can do is if you have a higher efficiency furnace that makes water in the wintertime, you're going to want to make sure your drains are good and clear by flushing clear distilled vinegar, hot water down the drain just to make sure that it's free flowing. Another thing is if you have dampers in your system, which would look similar to this unit here, you may have multiple. You want to make sure that we're redirecting the warm air down and slightly blocking off the upper floor dampers so that you have natural heat rise. That way the top floor doesn't become too hot and uncomfortable and the downstairs isn't freezing. Other than that, once we get into the unit itself, I would recommend, if you're not a professional, not messing with anything inside of the furnace. Things we check as technicians are going to be gas pressures, motor operations, overall safety function of the safety devices in your unit as well. We're going to pull and clean the flame sensors, ohm igniters. We may have to pull burners, but there are several things that can get quite complex quickly. So I would recommend, if you haven't had it done, give our office a call. We can schedule you for an inspection and make sure your system works properly this winter. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
AllTech Services. The best techs are AllTechs.